that's the, say, an employee who blogs, or an employee who, or participates in some kind of setting, and that they might see that as very private behavior, but it is somehow, they're able to find out that it's connected, or there's some information there that also signals that they are a member of this organization or this company. And now it's not just about evaluating the newcomer, it's somebody who is a member of that organization. You know, the board at Dartmouth or board at Baker is the same kind of thing. It's not blogging, but it's posting its information about the Dartmouth community available out there. What are the lines here? What are the issues here from the different perspectives?
I would say it's actually different for the board at Baker thing, because part of what I find interesting at the board at Baker thing is that it's literally anonymous, right? A blog you tend to self-identify with, and that the problem with the problem with the board at Baker thing, it seems to me, is that it assumes a certain kind of freedom that is not really the kind of freedom we talk about in terms of citizens, you know. If you're a citizen, you have various freedoms, and they go along with various responsibilities. If you're in a situation in which you have no sense of culpability whatsoever, that's a very different kind of freedom. And if people take advantage of that, then it becomes a series of ethical questions, I think. And that's different, I think, from the blogging about your company that you work for. That's, you know.
So blogging about, although there might be some connection in the requirements now that bloggers have to post who they get funding from, if they get company support, because the sort of flip side, so they are identified, but you think they're just Mark Williams at Dartmouth or whatever it is, and they actually are receiving support or funding in some way from entities that you aren't aware of.
That's right.
So, yeah.
One comment on the board at Baker thing. My understanding of that is that currently the people who use that have to use a Dartmouth address, right? They have to be kind of verified. So there's here I don't know what the facts are, so someone can fill me in. I take it for a while people were making a lot of pretty outlandish comments, but now are the users informed about the fact that they can be traced? I mean, they're on, but of course, I mean, we know who you are, and I would think that